Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of many O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many other national, international competitive mathematical exams. Today's Olympiad math problem looks tricky, but when I solve this, it will become easy and simple. So problem is 2 raised to power m plus 4 raised to power m plus 8 raised to power m equals 39. You have to find the value of m. So how we will solve this question? We will start this as, and condition is also here that m must be belongs real number. That means it cannot be complex or imaginary, and m cannot be equal 0. This is not equal 0. So we will solve this by making a supposition here. Let us suppose, taking the left hand side, we write 2 raised to power t, 2 raised to power m plus 4 can be write as 2 raised to power m squared, and 8 can be write as 2 raised to power m of cube, and that equals 39. Now consider a supposition here. Let's suppose you have 2 raised to power m equals x. So what will happen? We get x plus x squared plus x cube equals 39. Now we will write 39 in the form of some numbers, its square and then its cube. That means we can write this as x plus x square plus s cube equals 3 plus 9 plus 27, because 27 plus 12 will be 39. So that means we have 3 plus 3 squared plus 3 cube, because we will apply some formulas here. Now we will make the pairing of this as, first of all, x minus 3, then x square minus 3 squared, then x cube minus 3 cube equals 0. We have to use this methodology to solve this further. Here we will apply some basic formulas. According to that, a square minus b square equals a minus b into a plus b. And another formula for a cube minus b cube, that equals a minus b, then into next one will be this will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we will apply these formulas here. First of all, x minus 3, then x minus 3, this will be plus x minus 3, x plus 3. And the other one will be x minus 3 into x square plus 3 of x plus 9 equals 0. Now you can take x minus 3 is common from this. So when we take x minus 3 is common, so remaining will be 1 plus x plus 3, then plus x squared plus 3 of x plus 9 equals 0. So all these are becomes as 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So we have x minus 3 and this will be x squared plus 3x plus x is 4x, and 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13 equals 0. Now we have to apply the quadratic formula on this to find the value of x. First of all, x minus 3 equals 0. That means we get the point as x minus 3 equals 0, which implies x equals 3. This is the first one. Consider this here that we have got x equal 3. And for the other one, we will apply the quadratic formula. According to that, x equals minus b means minus 4 And the plus minus b square means 9, 4 square is 16 minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1 and 13 divided by 2 of a, that is 2. So 13 into 4 will be minus 4 plus minus 13 multiply 4, we get 4, 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 5, 52. So 52 minus 16 will be 12 minus 6 is 6, 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is minus root minus 36 divided by 2. But condition is that here applied the minus, but we said that it belongs only to the real number. That means this is not possible. This is less than 0 or rejected. This will be rejected. So only possible root is x equals 3. So we will solve this further, because we have to find the value of m. So for this purpose, we will consider 2 raised to power m, that was equals x. Now we substitute the value of x, that is 3. So 3 equals 2 raised to power m. Now you have to find the value of m, so take log on both sides. So by taking log on both sides, log 2 raised to power m equals log of 3. So power is in the start and we have 3, m log of 2 equals log 3. Now you can see m is multiplied here, it will be divided. So we will write this as m equals log of 3 divided by log of 2. But we can apply the change base rule on this because according to that we have the value of m. So m will equals log of 2 and 3. So this is the value of m. Now you can see how easily we have solved the value of m, that equals log basis 2 and 3. Now after solving this, we will do the verification is our answer is correct or not. So for this purpose, we will solve this as write each value. 2 m means log base is 2 and 3 plus this is 2 squared. So 2 and its squared means we will write this as 4 raised to power m can be write as 2 squared. So then we will apply the value of log, that will be log 2 3. Then 2 cube, apply the value of m, that is log 2 3. That means we get power is in the its power form, means we get this will be equals 3 and this will be 2 log base is 2 3 squared plus 2 log base is 2 3 cube. So which implies we have 3 plus 3 squared plus 3 of cube. So 3 plus 3 square is 9 and 3 cube is 27 and all are equal 39. So we get the answer, that is 39. It's mean by taking the left hand side we get right hand side equals. Now we will write our solution, that what is the value of m. So m will equals log base is 2 and 3. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Now in the last, I will give you a challenge question. If you found this video helpful, you can easily solve this question and we will pin your comment if your answer is correct. So today's challenge is for you. So maximum student should try to solve this. 4 raised to power t minus 2 equals 40. So same you have to apply formula here. So this is the, you have to find the value of t. This is your challenge. Maximum student try to solve this and tell us answer in the comment section. If your answer is correct, we will pin your answer and also tell the name of the winner in the next video. Subscribe Math Solver 1117 because this channel give you all information about A levels, O level, IGCSE, GCSE, many competitive mathematical exams that are held worldwide. So stay tuned and subscribe Math Solver 1117. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.